large bird cage on this home. This is a courtyard villa. This home is tailor-made for those people who like privacy. Hello and welcome, friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. Today's an open house video of a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom courtyard villa located here in the village of Rio Grande, in the northern part of the Villages. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello and welcome, friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. Today's an open house video of a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom courtyard villa that's made of block and stucco, located here in the village of Rio Grande, in the northern part of the Villages. I will start by taking a panoramic view of the street. This is panning left, and that is Morse Boulevard that you see over there. And this is panning right. As I walk up to this home, I do see that it has a cement driveway that's in very good condition. And as always, friends, please contact the listing agent Scott or Cindy Dunn at Realty Executives, and here is their contact information right there, friends. I do notice that this home has a very low maintenance front yard. It has stone front yard. It has mature landscaping as well. It is a block and stucco home, and it has a 1.5 car garage. And if you notice, friends, it does have an electronic screen that slides down. So you could open the garage door, you could sit inside the garage. It does have a stone paver walkway that leads up to the front of this home. That is your front door, friends. It has a storm door as well. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Here I am, friends, standing in the foyer, and the first thing I notice is this awesome, beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring. It has fresh paint, very wide crown molding, and the ceiling has knockdown texture. Off to the right, friends, you do see the kitchen area with that beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring continuing. It has new stainless appliances as well. This home is list priced for $345,000. It has awesome granite countertops with white cabinets, brushed stainless hardware as well. It does have a very large single bowl sink. That granite does continue as a backsplash as well. This home is very nice, very good condition. I will spin around and show you the rest of this kitchen. Very light and bright. It does have a solar tube in the kitchen that lets in a lot of natural light. This is your pantry area, friends, just to give you an idea. Very nice. That door will lead out into the garage area. Let's take a look at what the garage looks like. Those floors seem to be painted or epoxied and appear to be in very good condition. This home has been updated and freshly painted. It is a block and stucco home, for your information. It's in very good condition. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. You do see the laundry is in the garage. It does have a sink as well, and your hot water heater is located in the corner, and your mechanicals are tucked back in that corner as well. Let's take a walk through the rest of this home, friends, and see what it has to offer. Here is a panoramic view from the kitchen looking into the living and dining area. You do see the recessed lights in the kitchen. Off to the left, you do have a guest bedroom, and you do see that luxury vinyl plank floor continuing in this guest bedroom. You see the base molding is extra wide as well. It has plantation shutters, crown molding, neutral paint. It has 6-panel sliding doors on the closet, wire rack shelf on the closet as well. It does have a bathroom off of this bedroom. It does have granite countertops, same granite as you see in the kitchen, white cabinets, tile floors. It also has a tile shower surround in that tub area as well. Very nicely maintained home. Walking into the living area, let's take a video of the specification sheet first, friends. Please contact the listing agent or the showing agent. Zach Hale is the showing agent at Realty Executives. The list price is $345,000. This home is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom courtyard villa made of block and stucco. As always, feel free to pause the video at any point if you want to read the specification sheet. There you have it. There you have sliding patio doors out to the side patio of this home. You do see the luxury vinyl plank floors continuing. It does have knockdown texture on the ceilings. Not sure if I mentioned that before, friends. It does have a Florida room with sliding pocket doors as well. That is a temperature-controlled Florida room. That is a very nice adder to have. You do see that luxury vinyl plank floor continuing, plantation shutters. You can see it does have HVAC ducts in the ceiling with knockdown texture. Very wide molding. You do see the crown molding continuing. It does have a bird cage out the back as well. That is your painted cement floor. Very large bird cage on this home. This is a courtyard villa. This home is tailor-made for those people who like privacy. It has a stone backyard as well with very little maintenance needed. I will take a walk and show you the side yard of this home as well. This is the side of the home. You do see the stone pavers continuing on the side of this home. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. The roof was updated in the year 2019, and the HVAC system was replaced in the year 2022. That is your side yard right there, friends. Let's go back inside the home and take a look at the other bedroom and show you what this home has to offer. As I mentioned, this is located in the northern part of the village of Rio Grande. Here we'll walk into this bedroom. This bedroom is located in the back of the home. The luxury vinyl plank floor continues in this bedroom. That door does lead out into the bird cage and lanai area. Knockdown texture ceilings. crown molding as well. And each one of these bedrooms has its own bathroom. How neat is that? Looks like that ceiling fan looks new. That bathroom has tile floors. It has a walk-in closet off to the left. Luxury vinyl plank floor in that walk-in closet. Wire rack shelves. This home is in very good condition. It does have the same granite countertop. It has a shower with glass doors, tile surround, stone floor in that shower as well. It does have an upgraded shower head, friends. Look at that shower head. Very neutrally decorated home. Very nice. It does have a seat in that shower as well. It does have a separate commode space. You do see the crown molding continuing. I will swing around and show you the beautiful white vanity in this primary bathroom. Granite countertop, one sink. All right, friends, let's take an exit and walk out of this home. Give you one last panoramic view. This home is in excellent condition. It's been updated, fresh paint. You have to do very little to this home. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Let's walk out into the street now, friends. And I will give you one last panoramic view. I will leave pop-up boxes in the video to let you know what direction this home faces. As always, friends, you can contact Scott and Cindy Dunn, your listing agents, or you can contact Zach Hale, your showing agent today at Realty Executives. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. I will turn around and show you a panoramic view of this home. That is your home, friends. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, many updates. It's a block and stucco courtyard villa located here in the village of Rio Grande, in the Villages, Florida. Thank you for subscribing and liking. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you for joining me on this home tour of this 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco courtyard villa located here in the northern part of the Villages. Have a great week and stay safe.